believe in the Ötzi curse. It was simply destiny.
But journalists Marco Witting and Matthias Chrysler are intrigued. Could there be other unexplained deaths associated with the
We started to look at what happened to other people who had something to do with Ötzi.
He was one of the first to touch the body. Not an easy task after being frozen to the mountain for 5 millennia. As Hand ripped Ötzi free from his burial site, he had posed for this photograph.
What are you doing, crazy?
Holding the mummy's head. In 1993,
Hey.
2 years later, Fritz
Chewing on the
is
carpet.
through the mountains.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
But freak weather rolls, reducing
Crazy.
The circumstances were mysterious. He was the only one in his group to die.
Hutzel dies suddenly of a brain tumor in 2004. Just like Helmut Simon, his